Howdy, I've got a quick announcement to make about this upcoming weekend. I'm hosting a live cocktail workshop where I'll be running through cocktail prep. I've got about 10 different syrups to run through. I've got cordials and shrubs. I'll be sharing 4 DIY liqueur recipes, 3 of which I've developed specifically for this workshop. So I'm very, very excited to share them with you. I've developed an orange liqueur, a coffee liqueur, and an allspice liqueur. So something you can use in lots and lots of different cocktails, especially the coffee liqueur and the orange liqueur. They taste really good. They taste incredible. I'm quite proud of them, actually. I'll be talking about bitters as well. It's this weekend. It's Saturday morning Australian time, or if you're in the US, it's Friday evening. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check out what time it is in your time zone. It will be live. I'll cover all the different ingredients. I'll also include a bonus recipe book, which includes all the ingredient recipes plus 50 cocktail recipes that you can use those ingredients in. And I've also got a whole bunch of pre-recorded videos. So whilst you can enjoy the live stream, I'll have some more succinct videos for each individual ingredient so you can follow them step by step. I'm trying to make it as easy as possible so you guys can make your own ingredients, save lots of money, and just have a great time making cocktails. So if you are interested, I'll leave a link in the description below. Otherwise, I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.